Hi, I'm Derek with Liminal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build and use game plans in Liminal GTM. Each one is a workspace for aligning your team to specific sales playbooks. I can find it under GTM, Game Plans. Game plans are the heart of Liminal GTM, upon which all other GTM features branch. For that reason, it's important to gain a strong understanding of what they contain. So let me show you. Let's use this one as an example. Each game plan is tailored for a specific use case in a specific vertical, tied to one or more of your products. In this case, my use case is Know Your Customer within the banking vertical. I can see that there are other companies and products competing in this space, and I can see links to personas and what their key purchase criteria is for a product in this use case, backed by liminal first-party research. My team can add in strategies, specific talking points to our company, and things that they want the team to remember. Game plans are designed to help your sales team stay consistent in strategy, to accelerate ramp-up time for new reps, and to bring together everything needed to win this deal. I can see competitors that match this use case, some that I've added battle cards to understand how I compare head-to-head. We'll have another video diving deep on battle cards. I can request a new battle card easily from here. I can view or launch campaigns for target account lists that follow this strategy with account strategy plans and specific contacts aligned with this playbook. And I can view events in the monitor that are timely and related to things in this use case for this game plan. All right, that's an overview of what a game plan contains. You can see how other features roll in here, whether it's battle cards, campaigns, or linked strategy.